I got the dynamo of volition, the pole position, automatic transmission with low emissions. I'm a brand new addition to the old edition with the love unconditional. And I'm a drama abolitionist, damn, no opposition to my proposition. Half of a man, half magician, half a politician, holding the mic like ammunition. And my vision is as simple as light. Ain't no reason we should be in a fight, no demolition. Get to vote, get to see what you like. Procreation, compositions already written by themselves. Hackers for the people not believing in God. Good job, get 'em up way high, gimme that high five. Good time, get 'em way down low, gimme that low dough. Good God, bring 'em back again, gimme that high ten. You're the best definition of good intention. I do not answer the call if I do not know who is calling. I guess the whole point of it all is that we never know really. I'm trying to keep with the Joneses while waiting for guns and the roses to finish what we all suppose is gonna be the shit we'll soon make. Oh, fist lock, bumping and wrist lock, twisting up a Rizzler. Kid Icarus on the transistor, Nintendo be giving me the blister. I bend over, take it in the kisser. My best friends are hitting on my sister, try to tell them that they still a wish her, cause she already got herself a mister. And besides, that's gross, don't wanna diss her. I didn't I say good job, get 'em up way high, gimme that high five. Good time, get 'em way down low, gimme that low dough. Good God, bring 'em back again, gimme that high ten. You're the best definition of good versus evil. I do not keep up with statistics, I do not sleep without a mistress. I do not eat unless it's fixed with some kind of sweet like a licorice. My home is deep inside the mystics, I'm known to keep digging on existence. I'm holding in the heat like a fish stick, my phone it beeps because I missed it. I do not answer the call if I do not know who is calling. I'm making no sense of it all, say can I get a witness? I'm only a boy in a story, just a hallucinatory, tripping on nothing there is, living in the wilderness with a tiger spot on my back, living life of a cat. I just wanna relax here and write another rap tune, driving off on your blind man's bike. You can say just what you like, or nothing can stop you. Good job, get 'em up way high, gimme that high five. A good time, get 'em way down low, gimme that low dough. A good God, bring 'em back again, gimme that high ten. You're the best, 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 you're the best. Good job, get 'em up way high, gimme that high five. A good time, get 'em way down low, gimme that low dough. A good God, bring 'em back again, gimme that high ten. You're the best definition of good intention. You're the best definition of good intention. You're the best definition of good intention. You're the best around.
Something I did, it must be over my head. I didn't quite understand, but now it's out of my hands. It's out of my hands. I am sorry for the way you must feel about yourself every day. Maybe you needed me to make it so you could keep on running away. And was it something I said or something I did? It must be over my head. I didn't quite understand, but now it's out of my hands. It's out of my hands. When it feels like life has gotten out of control, when it feels like there's much too much to hold, when it feels like too much to was something I did, it must be over my head. I didn't quite understand, but now it's out of my hands. It's out of my hands. When it feels like life has gotten out of control, when it feels like there's much too much to hold, when it feels like too much to understand, know that it's out of your hands, out of your hands, out of your hands. Know that it's out of your hands, out of your hands, out of your hands.
I picture something, it's beautiful, it's full of life and it is all blue. I see a sunset on the beach, yeah, it makes me feel calm. When I'm calm, I feel good. And when I feel good, I sing. And the joy it brings makes me feel good. And when I feel good, I sing of the joy it brings me. Together. If food is frying and people smiling, like there is no other way to feel good. And when I feel good, I sing. And the joy it brings makes me feel good. And when I feel good, I sing. And the joy it brings